Are you looking for iPad Pro 10.5-inch 2017 repair in Port Dalhousie? Look no further than JTG Systems. They are the experts in repair and service of your device. Their experienced technicians are certified to work on all iPad models, so you can be sure your device is in good hands. Call 905-892-4555 or visit their shop to get your iPad Pro 10.5-inch 2017 repair in Port Dalhousie. You will get quick, honest, and reliable service at a competitive price. JTG Systems is your one-stop shop for all your iPad repair needs.